But before this murky mollusk gets to the table, there's still a lot left to do.
All right, folks, now that we've brought our oysters back to the port, it is time for processing. Check out this genius engineering. I expect nothing less from the Japanese. We're on a boat that is also a holding vessel and a conveyor belt. So automatically, all of the oysters are coming off of here, and they're heading to a conveyor belt here, where they're sent over to the processing plant. Now, these oysters definitely will need some processing before this is going to be an actual edible food that I'd be willing to put in my mouth. And I'm somebody who's willing to put just about anything in his mouth. All the oysters have been conveyor belted up here, and this is the first step of processing. Inside of this steel drum, there's a load of water, and it's turning, mixing, and pounding those big chunks of oysters that we saw. So all the detritus, all the different seafood and shellfish are separating. From the steel drum, the oysters go on a conveyor belt, and they drop here into this giant steel cage. You just hook the cage, and the cage is now going to move up and head into the processing facility.
Once the oysters are freed from all the gunk and grime, they head into a tank inside the factory for a purification process.